Virtual Sypac, whose every video brings in over 500,000 views and earns the channel $30,000 per month. This channel has made a significant impact on people. Some are eagerly waiting for the channel owner's face reveal, others want to learn editing techniques similar to Virtual Sypac, and there are those who aspire to create channels like this. But what is it about their videos that makes each one go viral? The secret to their viral success lies in audience retention. All their videos are based on a strong call to action, using numbers and emotions instead of just saying hi and hello. These factors grab people's attention while scrolling through videos. Moreover, their editing techniques involve various tricks like engaging captions, smooth transitions, captivating stock footages, and high-quality resolution. This combination engages viewers' minds and keeps them hooked throughout the video. And most importantly, Virtual Sypac's main character created using Blender. But in this video, I will show you how you can create videos like Virtual Sypac using AI. So let's get started. First and foremost, it's important to determine the topic of your videos. Pay close attention to this step because often people lose interest in their channel because the chosen topic may have been trending but not aligned with their own interests. I have 5 suggestions to help you choose a topic. It's not necessary to pick from these suggestions, but it's crucial to select a niche that genuinely interests you. Now let's move on to video generation. We will start with the main character using HeyGen. Choose your AI avatar, and if you don't find a suitable one from the given options, you can watch my short video in which I teach how to generate an AI avatar. You will find the link in the comments or description. After choosing your AI avatar, select the landscape mode. You will have 2 options: text script and audio script. If you have your own voiceover ready, upload the audio file in the audio script. Otherwise, paste your video script in the text script. On the right-hand side, you will find AI voiceover artists. Choose a voice that suits your preference. Remember to click the Submit button on the top right to see the avatar animation. By completing this step, you've already accomplished 50% of the work. Next, it's time for Virtual Sypac-Style editing, for which I recommend using CapCut. It's a free editing tool that offers numerous premium features. To create a sense of urgency in your videos, add a progress bar. To do this, add text and edit it with an underscore or a minus sign. Choose any color you like and apply the wipe right animation. Adjust the timing according to your video length. If your video is 60 seconds long, stretch the text layer to 60 seconds and set the animation timing to 60 seconds as well. Great. The progress bar is now ready. Let's move on to footages. You can use websites like Pexels or Pixabay to find suitable footages for each line. Download the footages and add them to your video. This will ensure viewers' attention is captured and they watch the entire video. Now let's work on captions. Go to the text section and select Auto Caption. CapCut will generate captions for you. To add animations to the captions, go to Animation and choose Zoom Out for the in animation, setting the timing to 0.1 seconds. Select Zoom In with the same timing of 0.1 seconds for the out animation. Apply these animations to all captions. Select all caption texts and center align them to ensure viewers can easily read them throughout the video. Remember to choose background music that suits your video's title and add sound effects to footages, animations, and texts. These elements will impress the viewers. Isn't that the goal? Lastly, I know this video might not go viral, so if you are watching and enjoying it, please like, subscribe, and comment to give it a chance to go viral. And if you haven't learned how to create an AI avatar yet, go to the description or comments and watch my short video. Until then, bye-bye.